Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best Honda pressure washers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is SIMPSON Cleaning Pressure Washer powered by Honda GX200. This SIMPSON ALH3425 makes use of a Honda GX200 and an AAA industrial triplex plunger pump with a power boost tech to produce 3,600 psi of pressure at a water flow rate of 2.5 GPM. With this amount of pressure and flow, you have a power cleaning machine you can use to take care of any outdoor equipment and facility cleaning needs. You can use it to clean decks, remove graffiti, prepare wood and walls for repainting and so on. It comes equipped with a 35 feet Moreflex non-marring hose, resistant to kinking and abrasion. And the hose comes with all the threaded fittings you need to connect it with the machine. Along with the hose, it also comes with 5 quick connect spray nozzle tips, to easily dispense the water at different fan widths and pressure. It's equipped with a pair of 10-inch sized pneumatic tires for portability. Which means you don't even need any help to get it working. You can just pull or push it and it will roll along with you, so you can work with it anywhere you want. Number 2. Our second best pick is SIMPSON MSH3125 Gas Honda Powered Pressure Washer. The Honda GC190 engine is the force behind the SIMPSON MSH3125 MegaShot pressure washing machine. Equipped with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, the SIMPSON MSH3125 pumps water at a pressure of 3,200 pounds per square inch at a rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. It has a welded steel frame which keeps it strong and sturdy during operation. The MSH3125 also comes with 5 quick connect hoses for funneling the pressured water and a 25 feet Moreflex hose you can rely on. This SIMPSON Honda powered pressure washer is one you can rely on if you're a hardworking DIY homeowner or even a cleaning professional looking for a new machine you can use to meet your cleaning needs. With it you can wash your car, walkway, deck, other outdoor power equipment and so on. Overall, it's a durable and effective unit you can rely on, with a pair of 10-inch pneumatic tires for easy mobility. Number 3. Our third best pick is SIMPSON PS3228 Pressure Washer powered by Honda GX200 engine. If you're a cleaning professional, then you'll find this Honda powered pressure washer fit for all your cleaning tasks. The SIMPSON PS3228 is the ideal power washer every cleaning professional needs. Whatever tasks or cleaning activity you have in hand, you can surely take care of it with this washer. With a pressure capacity of 3,300 psi and a 2.5 GPM water capacity, you can use it to take care of all your outdoor, job site, equipment and facility cleaning without any trouble. It comes equipped with a Honda GX200 engine with oil alert that signals you when there's a need to change the oil in the machine, so as to keep it running in good condition for years without malfunctioning. Apart from the engine, this SIMPSON PS3228 also comes equipped with an AAA industrial triplex plunger pump which ensures you get a consistent supply of water when carrying out projects with it. The pump also has a bypass pump mode to help protect it and keep it running at optimum condition. Finally, this SIMPSON Honda powered pressure washer comes equipped with a 5/16 x 25 feet Moreflex non-marrying, kink and abrasion-resistant water hose, which you can use with the machine for improved performance and ease of use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SIMPSON 61014 PowerShot Pressure Washer powered by Honda GX200. Another Honda pressure washer you want to consider is the SIMPSON 61014 PowerShot. It comes equipped with a Honda GX200 engine for power and an AAA industrial triplex plunger pump to pump the water from your garden hose through the machine, adding the pressure needed to get rid of all the dirt and debris you want to get rid of. This Honda-powered pressure washer is suitable for both homeowners and professional cleaners looking for a powerful unit to work with. The SIMPSON 61014 is capable of producing a water pressure of 3,500 psi at a flow rate of 2.5 GPM. Just like the previous unit reviewed, it also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles for varying and controlling the water pressure. A 25 feet Moreflex, kink and wear-resistant hose also comes in the package, providing a suitable means to clean a wide area without moving the machine frequently. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is PowerBoss Gas Pressure Washer powered by Honda GC190 engine. This PowerBoss pressure washer has a pressure capacity of 3,100 psi and water capacity or water flow of 2.4 GPM. It's the ideal unit built for the DIY homeowner to take care of all outdoor and equipment cleaning needs effectively. With a durable Honda GC190, 187 cubic centimeters engine, this unit is capable of tackling all medium-duty home cleaning projects and even job site tasks. The pump that comes with it is an axial cam pump which requires little maintenance, allowing you to spend time washing with the machine instead of trying to repair it. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzle tips, with 0, 15, 40 degrees and a soap dispenser nozzle to help you vary the pressure of your washer and control the spray fan size when cleaning with it. A 1-gallon detergent tank ensures you always have soap ready to clean with, and a 25 feet high-pressure hose provides you all the control you need to clean without moving the machine with you all the time. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.